In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to concatenate strings in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or just looking to refine your skills, mastering string concatenation can significantly enhance how you manipulate and present data. So, let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this. First off, you'll want to launch Tableau on your device. Opening up Tableau is the initial step to accessing its array of powerful features designed to make your data visualization projects come to life. Take a moment to ensure that your software is up to date, as working with the latest version can provide you with the most current tools and functionalities. Once you're in Tableau, the next step is connecting your data source. Think of Tableau as your bridge to your data universe. Connecting it to your spreadsheets, databases, or cloud-based data sources is crucial for effective analysis. Whether you're working with a CSV file, an Excel sheet, or a more complex database, select your data source and establish the connection. If it's your first time connecting to a certain type of source, don't worry. Tableau guides you through the process smoothly. After your data is connected, it's time to navigate to the analysis menu. This is where the magic starts to happen. Select Create Calculated Field from the Analysis menu. This action opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, allowing you to define custom calculations that transform your data in powerful ways. Creating a calculated field is like scripting a mini program within Tableau, helping you to derive insights by manipulating data directly. Now, as you create your calculated field, giving it a descriptive name is key. This step sets the foundation for keeping your workspace organized, especially when dealing with multiple fields. A clear name ensures that you, and anyone else working with your workbook, understand exactly what each field represents. It might be tempting to keep it simple, but take a moment to think about its purpose and make the name as clear and descriptive as possible. With the calculated field in place, it's time for the practical part, the formula editor. In the formula editor, use the plus sign, plus, to combine strings. This is the crux of concatenating strings in Tableau. As you type in your formula, think of the plus sign as the glue that holds your strings together, combining separate words or values into a cohesive piece of data. For example, if you have two fields that contain a first name and a last name, you can merge them into a single full name field by typing something like first name plus toi plus last name to neatly incorporate spaces or any necessary punctuation. Now that you have the steps down, practice makes perfect. Try applying this method to different data sets and see how it can enhance your visualization projects. Concatenating strings is a simple yet powerful tool that opens up a myriad of opportunities in data customization and presentation, empowering you to convey your insights with precision and clarity. Happy tableauing!